That's us. Oh, no, my mom's coming.
No, she's not.
Yeah, she is.
No, the plan was to sleep over at my house.
No, it's fine.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey, Matt.
Have you ever been out of the country?
When I was little, my dad had a job that took him to Brazil. I remember from the pictures.
It's my dream to... Oh, sorry.
No, you go.
I've never been out of the country. It's my dream to go to Paris.
Paris.
That's why I'm taking French.
My mom said French wasn't useful.
It is if you want to go to Paris. Still don't know how to use those rollers that you gave me.
Oh, it's so easy. So after they heat up, you take your hair and you twist the hair like this, and